Our TSM 4001 table shock mount is ideal for permanent installations of our podium microphones. It has a sleek Scandinavian design and is optimized for the weight and dimensions of our discrete and dedicated podium mics. It also gives you the absolute best rejection of low-frequency shock rumble, which occurs when the talent touches the table or podium. Here in our test lab, we are comparing our table shock mount with 4 competitors. We have identical and matched 4018 supercardioid capsules on all boom poles. As you can see on the screen, we analyze the frequency response below 300 Hz. The green curve is the DPA table shock mount, which exhibits up to 25 dB less low-frequency rumble. As a reference, and to show how close our table shock mount is to a free hanging mic, we've also suspended the same mic from the ceiling so that it does not receive any vibration at all from the table. The gray curve is the hanging mic, the green is the table mic. Observe how close they are and that they have almost no audible differences.